Let's take a look at the initial setup experience when you sign in to a freshly installed Access server for the first time. Open a browser and go to the admin web UI using your server's public IP address or host name, followed by port 943 and /admin. Since this is a new installation and you haven't configured a trusted SSL certificate yet, your browser will likely display a certificate warning. Before continuing, verify that you're connecting to your own server. Sign in with the username OpenVPN and the temporary password that was created during installation. The first time you sign in, accept the license agreement, and then Access Server will guide you through a short setup wizard. First, you'll define your global access rules. For this example, I'm enabling full tunnel mode so users can route their internet traffic through the VPN. I'm also adding the private resources they need to access, 2 domains, timecard.nobase.local and accounting.nobase.local. These are just examples. You could add the IP addresses, CIDR blocks, or domain names that apply to your environment. When you're finished, click Continue. Next, you'll connect a device. If OpenVPN Connect isn't installed, you can download it directly from this page. The profile will be imported automatically. Open Connect app, select the new profile, and click Connect. Once you're connected, return to your browser. Click on Continue. Access Server will detect the device and confirm that the initial setup is complete. Click Finish Wizard to open the Admin Web UI. Now let's take a quick look around the Admin Web UI. The status page provides an overview of your server, including the Access Server version, operating system, available connections, active connections, and license status. Under VPN Server, you can review the server address, network interfaces, VPN protocols, ports, and the number of OpenVPN daemons. You can also review features such as data channel offload when they're supported by your server. Under Users, you can manage the built-in administrator account and create accounts for your VPN users. This is also a good time to replace the temporary administrator password with a strong, unique password. The rules you created during the setup wizard are available under Access Controls and Global Access Rules. From here, you can add or update domains, IP addresses, and subnets whenever needed. The other tabs under Access Controls let you create group-level and user-level rules, manage intergroup connectivity, configure full tunnel or split tunnel internet access, manage DNS behavior, and control communication between connected VPN clients. The Authentication section lets you manage the default authentication method, MFA, password lockout settings, and external authentication options. OpenVPN Access Server is now installed and ready for the rest of your configuration. From here, you can activate a license if needed, create users and groups, and apply least privilege access rules so users can reach only the resources they actually need.